What's up guys, welcome to the Beauty for Your Eye. This is your girl Trish here, and today we're going to do a video on how I achieved this look. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. So first I start off by applying the purple to the outer V area of my eye, and I blend it in using wiper motions. I then go ahead and pick up the bright pink eyeshadow color and I place it right next to the purple, and I also blend that one in. I'm cleaning out any fallout that I had from the bright pink with some concealer. I'm now applying some pink shimmer to the top of my lid just to give it that finished color. And right here I'm adding purple eyeliner to my waterline. And I'm just going ahead and clean out the outer V since I didn't have tape on the side of my eye to give it that clean cut look. I'm just going to clean it up with some concealer. I'm now going to add some black liquid eyeliner. Now that I'm done, or practically done with the eye look, I'm missing my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and add some concealer to my under eye area. I'm now adding some foundation to clean up some of the under eye area and to give more coverage to the rest of my face. I'm setting my under eye makeup so it doesn't cake up or crease on me throughout the day. And to set my face, I am going to use some powder foundation that's going to clean up the under eye residue from the setting powder. Right here I'm applying some pink lipstick, not too bright, just a little sheer pink lipstick. And to top it off, I'm applying some lip gloss to it. Right here I'm applying some mascara right before I put on my eyelashes. And to finish up the eye look, I'm adding some lashes, and these are from Kiss. And this is the finished look. I hope you did enjoy the video, and remember the links to all products used are down in the description. Thank you.